All right, an example I did not get to on Friday is number 46. So back in your book on page 195, number 46. Write this one down. And 46 says, consider a function f such that f prime is decreasing. Sketch graphs of f for f prime being less than 0 and for f prime being greater than 0. So in other words, f prime is decreasing. We want to sketch one graph where f prime is negative and a different graph where f prime is positive. All right. Before we start sketching, let's figure out what it's going to look like. When they tell us that f prime is decreasing, what else are they telling us? F double prime is negative. F is concave down. Those are the things you know, right? Again, it doesn't matter which of the three you're told first. You know all three are true. So F double prime is negative, and I think probably more importantly for our graph on this, F is concave down. So first, I wrote that down because I need to know that, right? And that's for me working the problem as much as it is for whoever's grading it, is I got to realize, oh, okay, that means F is concave downward. Okay? So, now we know our graph is concave downward. For A, we know that f prime is negative. If f prime is negative, is our function increasing or decreasing? Think back to the first derivative test. When the derivative is negative, what's the function doing? Increasing or decreasing? It's decreasing. So we need a function that's concave down and decreasing. So for part A, so this applies to part A and part B. For part A, f prime is less than 0 means f is decreasing. So I know my function f needs to be concave downward and decreasing. Is that the only possible way to draw a graph that's concave downward and decreasing? Not really. It may be a lot flatter. It may be really steep. Right, I don't know. But I know that it's concave downward, and I know that it's decreasing. For part B, I know that it's concave downward, but if f prime is positive, when the derivative is positive, what's the graph doing? Increasing or decreasing? It's increasing. So I still know that it's concave downward, but for part B, I know that f is increasing. So how can I draw concave down and increasing? Something like that. That's concave down and increasing. And again, I don't know, maybe it should be flatter, maybe it should be steep, I don't know. But the example I came up with fits the criteria. It's concave downward and it's increasing. Make sense? Okay. Let's see. Yeah, I'll just do it on here. All right, page 195. All right, we already did. Did we do 15? No. All right, let's do 15. Through 23 odd. 33 through 39 odd, 45, 46, and 48 through 57.